Okay, so I've been looking at some items on Wish/AliExpress lately, and I've noticed that no one really has any videos out showing them. So figured I'd take care of it. Some of these others that I'll be doing will be an unboxing, showing you the item, but this was already unboxed last week when it came in, so it is what it is. So we'll go ahead and pop it open. Inside is some pretty basic instructions. You can get the CR123As. I opted to go ahead and get Nitecore's rechargeable CR123As. These have a 500 life cycle. So whenever you can buy these for, under 10 bucks a piece and recharge them up to 500 times, you'll get your money worth out of them. So back to this item that will use those batteries. So you've got a microfiber cleaning cloth that came with it, and then the Surefire light. So I do not have a stand to hold the phone as I do recording, so it's not that professional, but you'll get the gist of it. So this is the, again, Wish/AliExpress version of the Surefire, and I'll show the link to it on Amazon and then also on Ali/Wish. If you decide that you want to get it in either place, that's completely up to you. I'm not making these videos for people to call out, how cheap this is or whatever the case may be, but if you're on a budget and you're just trying to build out your gun, I really don't care what those people say because, they're not paying my bills and paying for this item. So with this, it's got all the same functions as the real version. We'll pop those CR123As in there and show you what it looks like. I'll also show the Nitecore charger UMS2 that I use to charge these batteries. So again, the milliwatt hours on these are 650s. There is some degradation with these compared to getting just straight up CR123As, but again, not having to buy replacements for 500 life cycles, I think that's well worth it. So I'll link also to this charger. So once you get the batteries put in, obviously it shows which way they go, plus and minus. Snap it shut. And let me see if I can make a room dark and show you what it looks like. Here goes. So it's got a pretty good sized beam on it, but as far as my money goes, I'm not going to spend $200+ on one of these when I can buy this for much less. So thanks for watching.